Okay, well I'm going to try and give you a little demonstration of turning a little spindle. You were probably expecting to see a mini lathe, but this is my old Union Jubilee, which is quite capable of turning anything that's quite small or big. I'm going to be using, this is my one, it's not anodised as you can see, but it's the one I use. I'm going to be using 8mm skew, and on the other end of that I've got the little fingernail gouge that I'm pretty fond of. It's pretty much shaped to how I want it, this one. I've got the little parting tool on the 6mm end, and on the other end of that I've got a little tiny beading tool which I'll be using. Okay, well I'll zoom in, I'll turn the extractor and the lathe on. I'm not sure how much you'll be able to hear once they're running, but we'll give it a go. Swap this round for the skew. So they're just sort of finger size, give you a lot of control. As long as you keep them sharp, they get a nice finish. pull a little bead in here and here now. I find these better if you pull them up into the work. A little bit of a side to side wiggle. There you go, a little bit of sanding. Obviously take these down, but that's for what I do. As you can see, that's a nice little tool. You get quite in close and you've got an awful lot of control. The handle is long enough. And you're down on the end of the handle. You've got plenty of room for control. Okay.